Here are Emma and Ella playing together. Both girls will be 2 in the next couple months. And this is Emma's first time coming over to our house without her mommy. Yay! We're having so much fun, aren't we, Emma? Oh, you're looking for your apple juice. Where is your apple juice?
There.
There it is. You found it. It was in the basket.
Yeah.
And Ella has her own cup too. Where's Ella's cup? There it is. You girls are just enjoying a refreshment. Having some drinks. Are you doing some dancing while you have your drinks? Girls doing a little dancing today? Who dances? Who dances? Does Emma dance? Oh, she does. Does Ella dance? Oh, good. Dancing. Do you girls dance together? Oh, Emma is singing. Gentle. Gentle. Yeah, Speed, play gentle. Okay, you girls are being goosies. Be gentle.